Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw Emporia EV charger billing support requests, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw an Emporia EV charger billing support request, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Emporia website using the URL provided in the support section. Log into your Emporia account using your credentials. Once logged in, access your account dashboard. Locate the billing support section from the menu on the side. Click on it to view your existing support requests. Find the specific billing support request you wish to withdraw. Select that request to open its details. Look for the option to withdraw or cancel the request. Click on the Withdraw button to proceed. A confirmation prompt may appear, asking you to confirm the withdrawal. Confirm your choice to withdraw the request. You should see a notification indicating that the request has been successfully withdrawn. Check your email for a confirmation message regarding the withdrawal. If you do not receive a confirmation, return to the billing support section to ensure the request is marked as withdrawn. In case of any issues, consider contacting customer support for assistance. Keep your account information handy when reaching out. This ensures a smooth communication process. Now, you can continue managing your billing inquiries as needed. That's the complete process for withdrawing your Emporia EV charger billing support requests. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.